News 5 at 5 continues now.
The fact of the matter is colorectal cancer patients are now younger as a whole.
Chadwick Boseman's death shining a spotlight on colon cancer. It is, by the way, the second most common cause of cancer deaths in the United States. It's more common among older people, and black men have higher rates of the disease.
But there is a new disturbing trend that has doctors concerned. News 5's Tracy Carlis has a story.
Carol Mochica is the mom of 4 boys. She told me 4 years ago she was in the best shape of her life. She was active and healthy. So when she went to the doctor for shoulder pain, she wasn't worried.
He had ordered some tests and turned out I had a lot more going on than I anticipated.
She was just 42 years old when she was diagnosed with stage 4 colon cancer.
I actually was diagnosed around the same time that Chadwick Boseman was diagnosed in 2016.
Carol is now on a mission to bring attention, awareness, and education to the disease and the increase in younger colon cancer patients. Meantime, doctors are concerned about the alarming increase in patients like Carol and the Marvel star, patients who are young.
There's been a clear increase in rates of colon cancer in the 25 to 45-year age group, which we had not seen for decades and decades prior to this.
Cleveland Clinic doctor Alok Khurana is now seeing patients in their early 20s being diagnosed with colon cancer.
The percentage increase has been quite substantial, maybe about 100% increase or so, but the rates are still very low. So the relative increase is high, but they're still not as high, nowhere near as high as the 60 plus age group.
Screening typically starts between 45 and 50 years old, so it is not typically caught early in young people. And doctors say the cancer tends to be more aggressive. Doctors don't know what is causing the spike in cases in young people, but do have a couple of clues. One, diet and obesity.
A second clue that's been sort of offered has been an increased use of antibiotics in younger people. And there's some studies that suggest that if you've had so many courses of antibiotics by age 10, for instance, then your risk of colon cancer is higher. Again, that antibiotics can alter your gut microbiome.
The on-screen superhero fought a battle off-screen against colon cancer for 4 years.
It's sad to know that we had to have that happen for the awareness to take place. But it's also good to know that we can have the conversations because of this at a bigger platform and a bigger stage.
And that may just be Chadwick Boseman's final and most important act. In Cleveland, Tracy Carlis, News 5.